The first Thanksgiving was a harvest celebration held in 1621 by the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag Indians. It was a time of sharing food, culture, and knowledge. The Pilgrims learned from the Wampanoag how to grow and cook the foods of the land, while the Wampanoag learned from the Pilgrims about European cooking techniques. The following recipes are not exactly what was served during that time. However, you can try them with your family. Herb roasted turkey with lemon garlic. 1. 12 to 14 pound, whole turkey, half cup butter softened, 1 tablespoon dried sage, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon black pepper, 1 lemon, cut into wedges, 4 minced cloves of garlic. Preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. Rinse the turkey and pat dry. In a small bowl, combine butter, sage, thyme, salt, and pepper. Rub the butter mixture all over the turkey. Place the turkey in a roasting pan and tuck the lemon wedges and garlic cloves into the cavity. Pour 1 cup of water into the bottom of the roasting pan. Roast for 3 to 4 hours, or until the internal temperature of the turkey reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Crockpot stuffing with apples and cranberries. 1 12-ounce packaged stuffing mix, 1 cup chicken broth, half cup chopped onion, half cup chopped celery, 1/4 cup dried cranberries, 1/4 cup chopped apples, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. In a large bowl, combine stuffing mix, chicken broth, onion, celery, cranberries, apples, salt, and pepper. Pour the mixture into a slow cooker and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, or until the stuffing is heated through. Pumpkin cheesecake with caramel topping. For the crust, 1½ cups graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup melted butter. For the filling, 1 15 ounces can pumpkin puree, 1 12 ounces can evaporated milk, 2 large eggs, 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, half teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the topping, 1 cup heavy cream, half cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup butter, 1/4 cup light corn syrup, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a medium bowl, combine graham cracker crumbs and melted butter. Press the mixture into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. In a large bowl, combine pumpkin puree, evaporated milk, eggs, sugar, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and salt. Mix until smooth. Pour the filling into the prepared crust. Bake for 1 hour, or until the filling is set. Let the cheesecake cool completely before making the topping. In a medium saucepan, combine heavy cream, sugar, butter, corn syrup, and vanilla extract. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 5 minutes, or until the sauce thickens. Pour the topping over the cooled cheesecake. Variations of these recipes have become staples of Thanksgiving dinners today, and they continue to remind us of the importance of sharing food and culture with others.